Hey guys, welcome to a brand new video. Today we're going to look at the new JBL in-ear earbuds. Tune115 is released around a week ago. It's around £69. You have a few colors. You have black, blue and white. Spec wise, it's going to be 21 hour battery, 6 hours on the earbuds, and you have 15 hours on the case, supporting Bluetooth 5.0. So you do have a left and right control, so you have a pause and play and taking phone call on the earbuds, but you don't have audio control on the earbuds. JBL pure bass, so you have a dual connection, so you can connect the earbuds. Comfort fit, hand-free stereo call. The earbuds look very small compared to the older earbuds. USB-C for charging, so Bluetooth 5.0, 15 minutes of charge. You have 1 hour of playtime, 6 hours on the earbuds and 15 hours on the case. Tune115, so we're going to try them out. So that's going to be the earbuds and empty case. So definitely a different case, different earbuds. Let's go to the small attachments. So USB-A to USB-C for charging, and you have a small and large and medium earbuds. So you have 3 different sizes of earbuds to pick and choose. So that's the case. It's quite a small case. It's have the same look of the Samsung earbuds case. Earbuds are so small, so light. And let me go through the books. Guarantees, a technical guide, warranties, and the user guide. So let's go to the user guide. So what is in the box? How to wear. You're supposed to wear the earbuds up. So you're supposed to wear them like this instead of like these. So it's supposed to go in. First time use and how to connect, power on, power off, a manual for connecting the earbud together, pause and play and audio control for pause and play, and how to skip a song or how to cancel a phone call, and that's pretty much it. So case wise, it's very small. It doesn't have any IP rating. The case is much more smaller than the older model. It's much more lighter, and definitely there is no IP rating. USB-C for charging, a really good upgrade compared to the older models or micro USBs. Unfortunately, there is no wireless charging for this. That's the only thing I think they are lacking at the moment with all their new earbuds. Earbuds are very small and very tiny. So if you are looking for earbuds that right, and this is going to be the left, and they have like really good magnets so they don't fall off the case. So everyday use, they're perfectly fine. So now we're gonna turn them on and connect to songs, and we play. So ready to pair. I'm very surprised with the ear fit, how it's feel. It's very light. Sounds really good. Sounds really amazing. There is no delay when it comes to the audio. It's a really good audio. It sounds really loud, good bass. Unfortunately, JBL app doesn't support this earbud. If you want it more bass, or if you want to reduce the bass and add a bit more mids to it, you need to use your smartphone's equalizer to actually add more bass to it. Other than that, the earbud wise, they are really loud. They have really good bass. No delay so far. So now we're gonna go to YouTube and watch. So far, no delays, no distortion. So if you are watching videos, if you're watching songs, Bluetooth 5.0, so definitely helps to reduce delays. I will record a mic audio for this, so you can listen to the audio clearly from the mic. Hey guys, this is the audio from the JBL Tune115. Hope you're able to hear me clearly without any noise. You shouldn't be able to hear the wind noise, if I'm correct. Hope you're able to hear me clearly. When you come to the earbuds, they are really loud. There is no distortion. They have more bass to the earbuds, and JBL app don't support this, so you need to use your phone equalizer for if you want more bass. Other than that, earbud is much more lighter and it's fitted into your ears a bit more snugglier than the older models. Have the same feel to the Samsung earbuds. So here is your Samsung earbuds, and this is the JBL earbuds. They are very much like very small earbuds. JBL earbuds is a bit more thicker than the Samsung. Samsung have a bit more flatter the heads. So other than that, they're pretty much the same size. If you want like really small earbuds for everyday use, I would go for the JBL. I will go for the JBL 115. Audio sounds good. No delays, no distortion. Amazing audio. No wireless charging, unfortunately. Other than that, it is a really good earbuds to go for the £70. It's worth every penny you're spending. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did like the video, leave the comments below. I will see you guys on the next video. Bye bye.